Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today we study 6.3.2 growing season. The total growing period is defined as from sowing or transplanting to the last day of the harvesting of crop. It is mainly dependent on crop type, variety, climate, and the planting date. The growing period heavily depends on local circumstances, so the data on the duration of the total growing period for various crops grown in the area can be best be obtained locally. These data are very valuable for determining the crop water requirement within a specific locality. In general, it can be assumed that the growing period of crop or even a specific crop may have a longer period in cooler climate and shorter in warm climate. This particularly associated with the effect of temperature, which usually determine the rate of crop development and consequently affects the length of the total growing period required for the crop to form optimum yield. The length of crop growing season and the actual date of sowing and maturity are important factors that influence the conservative use of crop plant, particularly the growing the growing period coinciding with the outer part of the year. In this regard, crops sown in different seasons have different consumptive use owing variation in crop duration and other factors affecting the consumptive use of a crop. This is explained by the fact that varieties of a crop with short growing cycle will need less water while varieties of the same crop with long growing period need more water as compared with the short duration variety. Of course, for different varieties of a crop having different growing periods grown in the same locality may have the same water need per day, but variety of a given crop with long duration will need much more water than the short duration variety. Varieties of crop given crop with long duration will growing different period grown in the same locality may have the same water need per day, but variety of the given crop with long duration will need much more water than the short duration variety of the same crop. This is because the long duration variety stay longer period in the field. Therefore, the crop growing period has an important role in determining the evapotranspiration. So, guys, in this paragraph, we can understand if the crop are long duration, then it will need more water. If the crop will short duration, then it need less water than the long period crops. Please share and subscribe our channel. Subscribe our channel and like our videos. Please share it with your friends and also comment for your feedback. Thanks for watching YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.